What?
Huh? I'm recording.
I don't want him to blow that horn. You have to go. So
Let me see the drink.
Oh, this is a pomegranate martini.
Is this is Hillary's special?
Did you put her in?
Yep. She was standing right by the door. She didn't leave.
There's Luke. Hey, you're beyond video.
Okay, put your hands.
Oh my God, I'm freaking out.
You too, Brett. You have to.
Are you serious?
No, I'm fine.
Read.
I'm fine, Mom.
I'm recording. Look out.
Move it.
Oh my God. Do it again. Lay on it.
No. Do it again.
Do it again.
What?
Oh my God.
See? It's like a freaking train.
That's awesome.
Okay, here's your drink.
Thank you.
Hopefully you like it. I think I might have
Oh my God.
It's
That's
dry.
good.
I think I might have lost my cut.
Whatever. There's the beast.
Mom, I got no fuel left.
I know, honey.
I'm recording.
What's up?
Here, take it around in there and do the interior.
Yep, this is my truck. Beautiful. Wow, that's amazing. Custom leather, sickness in all the headrests, ain't no cure. Yep. That's the motto of this truck. That's the back seat. And yes, ladies and gentlemen,
Oh,
it is
sickness.
for sale.
Ain't no cure. Show that. Throw that up there.
That's in the headrest, and then that's in the roof.
And the TV.
Right there. And then the TV right above me. Yeah. That's where we play all our DVDs.
That's pretty loud, huh?
That's it.